Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, we're diving into the latest Windows 11 25 H2 preview build from the dev channel. For anyone new here, I cover everything related to Windows 11, including insider preview builds, where Microsoft tests upcoming features with a limited number of users. These features may or may not make it into the main release later on, but they give us a great look at what's coming next. This video focuses on build 26220.6772, one of the newest preview updates for version 25H2. If you enjoy staying up to date with the latest Windows features, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TechBased with the notification bell turned on, so you never miss future updates. Let's jump right in. New features and improvements. 1. Image Object Select and Unit Conversion for Copilot Plus PCs. Microsoft is introducing new AI-powered features for Copilot Plus PCs, including Image Object Select and Click to Do. These tools make it easier to select objects within images with precision and even perform unit conversions directly from on-screen content. Perfect for creators or anyone working with visual data. 2. Windows Hello support for peripheral fingerprint sensors. Previously, fingerprint authentication only worked with built-in biometric sensors on laptops. Now, Microsoft has added support for external fingerprint readers on desktop PCs and Copilot Plus devices, offering more secure sign-in options through Windows Hello. You can find this feature under Settings, Account, Sign-in Options, Additional Settings, if it's available on your device. 3. New setup experience. Name your default user folder. Microsoft is updating the Windows 11 setup process to allow users to customize their default user folder name during installation. While it's a small addition, it gives users more control during setup. You'll need to follow a few steps from Microsoft's official documentation, including using Shift plus F10 during setup to enter commands that rename your folder before completing the sign-in process. 4. Microsoft account bypass removed. Now for some not-so-great news. Microsoft is removing the known methods for creating local accounts during the Windows 11 setup process. Previously, there were workarounds that allowed you to skip the Microsoft account sign-in requirement, but these methods are now blocked in this preview build. According to Microsoft, these bypasses caused setup issues that left devices improperly configured. From now on, you'll need to complete the setup using an internet connection and a Microsoft account. That said, other tools like Rufus still allow local account setup when creating bootable ISOs, and those methods currently work fine on official release versions. 5. Dark Mode Dialogues in File Explorer. Microsoft continues to expand dark mode support in File Explorer. This update adds new dark theme dialogues for key actions such as copy, move, and delete. The redesigned dialogues include progress bars, confirmation prompts, like skip or overwrite, and error messages, all updated for a cleaner, modern look. Hopefully, dark mode will soon extend to areas like the run box, which still doesn't match the rest of Windows visually. Bug fixes and improvements. General fixes. Microsoft fixed an issue where certain features being rolled out disappeared unexpectedly from some insider PCs. Taskbar and system tray. Fixed an issue where the system tray would still appear when the taskbar was set to auto-hide. Fixed cases where the taskbar wouldn't hide properly when all windows were minimized. Resolved a focus issue where clicking an app preview sometimes failed to bring the window to the foreground. File Explorer. Fixed a problem with encrypted file system, EFS. Dialogues not responding properly to larger text scaling. Windows Studio Effects. Resolved an issue where enabling Windows Studio Effects with some external webcams could cause camera preview failures. If you disabled the feature before, you can now safely turn it back on. Settings and network. Fixed incorrect link speed readings for certain network adapters. Other fixes. Fixed an issue affecting Hyper-V virtual machines using TPM on ARM64 devices. Fixed playback problems for protected Blu-ray, DVD, and digital TV content that used the enhanced video renderer with HDCP. Known issues. There's a new known issue in this build. The touch keyboard may fail to launch on the login screen. If you experience this, you can use the on-screen keyboard from the accessibility menu as a temporary workaround. So, That's everything new and updated in the latest Windows 11 25 H2 Dev Channel build. According to reports from reliable sources like Phantom of Earth on X, Twitter, we can expect even more experimental features in the upcoming builds. Make sure you're subscribed to TechBase to stay up to date with everything Microsoft is working on, including new features, hidden settings, and insider updates. For more details about this build, check out the official Microsoft blog post or the linked article below. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to TechBase with notifications on so you won't miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.